Okay, everyone, attention please. We are going to start the night. Anyways, thank you all for coming tonight. I'm so glad that this was a pretty solid turnout. I know most of you came just for your awards. Yeah, fair enough. But I'm glad that you guys could join in the second time that we're ever doing this. We had a few hiccups in preparing this night, but you know what? We're here. It's cool. All right. So, first of all, we're going to just start off with something very simple: council elections. So, as you might have seen on the Discord, we are always looking for more people to join our club and, help run the stuff. I can't do all this alone, and I obviously need my team over there to help me out. But some of them are moving on, some of them are graduating, so on and so forth. So it's always nice to have more hands on deck. First of all, it would be nice if we could maybe get a secretary. They will just do 1 hour of admin a week. They just check emails and stuff. They work with the president to help maintain industry connections, because we get a lot of people potentially reaching out to us, and it'd be good to get back to them. It's also just nice to help get our legal stuff in order, constitution bookings, etc. So yeah, if you want to be a secretary, if you can handle maybe an hour of admin a week, tag along for that. Alternatively, maybe being a media coordinator. So if you can make art or music or anything cool like that, it would be cool to have you on board to help make us more emojis, more fan art, etc., and just have cool art for the club to use. That'd be very great. Thirdly is social media manager. So we are always looking for people to help us run the social medias, because we can have a lot, but we don't try to we try not to have too many. But when it comes to Instagram and Discord, we try to post there frequently, and it'd be great to have someone who can help me out with posting on those platforms. It's literally just once a week, right? Super chill. Maybe if you're super cool, then you can even post pictures of the nights happening and stuff. So if you can do that, maybe 1 or 2 hours a week, that would be super appreciated. Sort of lastly is specialist mentors. So we've done a bunch of tutorials over the semester. We've done art, we've done coding, and we even did some music tutorials. And those went really well. But obviously next semester we will have more tutorials happening. Maybe some writing tutorials, maybe some more art tutorials. We'll see what we can do. But if you want to tag along for that, if you want to teach any of those tutorials, or even just be there on the sidelines, just helping people out, if they're oh hey, can you help me out with this thing? You can be oh yeah, let me just give you some advice on how to do that. So if you're keen for that, sign up to that. That's a more chill, take it at your own pace kind of role. So you don't have to do any hours. You can do as many hours as you want. Super chill. And finally, it's just being general executive. If you just want to help out but you don't know what to do, or you don't have too much time but you would still like to help out, this is always appreciated. And mind you, this role and any of the other roles don't require you to be a member or even a uni student. You can help out even if you're a non-uni student. Obviously, it helps to be a uni student because then you know what our schedule is like. But in general, this is a very chill gig, and most of the other ones are. So it would be great if we could have some potential volunteers for that. So yeah, anyone keen to help out with that? You can either come forward right now, and we can just give you a warm round of applause, or you can come up to me later, and that would be super appreciated. We might have some more roles in the way in the future. Awards manager, someone who can make cool awards like this that we will be handing out tonight. Maybe some community engagers, maybe some challenge officers, because we do have challenges, but they haven't happened because no one's really been keeping on top of it. Maybe even just more casual mentors, or just more opportunities that might open up as we continue working on what kind of things we need for the club. The club is always evolving, and I'm so happy that this semester turned out the way it was, but it also means that we have to rework some of our roles just so we can adapt to it in the future, because there's always growing demands, there's always just different challenges happening, and the roles are suited to help us adapt to and attack those issues. So yeah, if you're still interested in becoming those awards, if you want to become any of those execs from these roles, or if you want to just be there on the sidelines in case anything else happens to pop up, then hit me up. Anyways, let's get to the awards. The one thing that you're here for. All right. How is it gonna go? So, first of all, the category is gonna be announced. and what the category and award entails. Nominees for the category will be announced. Actually, you won't be. We'll just tell you what the winner is. You can just give us a drum roll if you really want, or we could just go through it. And then representatives of the team, or even like the entire team, you guys can come forward and receive your award. There's gonna be awards for like some first-time devs. There's gonna be awards for specific categories. Remember, like we do disciplines like art, music, so on and so forth. We will have some jam theme winners for whoever did like the best job in portraying the theme. And then obviously we're just gonna have dinner at the end. So yeah. First of all, Symphonic Respite for anyone who did audio excellence. Now, my 2 award bringers, come forward. All right, those are the awards. Bring them up. Yep, you got it. Yippee! I like how you're doing it backwards. All right, as he beautifully stands over here, and as he also beautifully stands over here, I will tell you what the award is about. So this is awarded for like whoever did the best job in like, you know, creating a nice like sound atmosphere for the game, whether it's like really good music, really good audio design, really good just weird, creepy sounds, you know, just anything that just sounds good. This is the award for it. And the winner is, drum roll please, DLTE WMC. Wow. Yeah, you have 2 awards for 1 person. So this, we felt like this game deserved it kind of the most because it had like some really cool, creepy like sound design. And if you want to say a few words, you can. Otherwise, you can just piss off.
Yeah, it was fun making the funny like voice lines and screaming in my room. And if anyone wants any voice acting for the game, I'm free. Here is my portfolio. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Secondly, Enchanting Visions for the most visually excellent game. So this is obviously awarded to something that looks the prettiest, right? I don't really have to explain it too much, but we try to like base it on the artistic direction, the like visual quality, the amount of work that's been put into it, just, you know, anything that looks good and looks like it looks like there's a lot of effort that's been put into it. This award goes to it. Drum roll please again. Illuminal!
Whoa! Yeah! That guy.
Come on forth, come on forth. Receive your awards, 1 and 2.
Thank you.
Also, I should note, you can peel the things off the back. But yeah, we felt your game was the best in the visual category because you guys poured the most effort into it, as I'm aware. And also, it just looks really cool. If you want to say any words, you can. Otherwise, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah! Thirdly, Lorelover's Delight for the most excellence in narrative. This is for the game that had like the strongest narrative component to it. Whether they had like a really cool story that they were building up towards, maybe if they had like a lot of cool characters or so on and so forth, or just really cool world building. This is an award for it. Third round of drum roll, please. Memento Marine.
Whoa!
Come on forth, come on forth. Receive your awards there. Yeah. You guys, such a cool story. I'm so sad that you didn't get to like do it in time, but hopefully we'll see more of this.
Out there.
Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for this game. Good job. Okay. 4th award for clever Cogwork. I can say that. This is for like something that had really polished mechanics, or just really cool or interesting mechanics. You know, whether that's just having something very innovative that we haven't seen before in our club, or whether that's just, you know, using a feature that's very common in many games, but then implementing it in a very new and novel way We're not gonna do drum roll with our hands. We're gonna do it with our feet.
Oh man. Okay.
Drum feet roll, please. Dream frame.
Whoa. Dream frame.
All right, come on forth. Come on forth. And take your awards. Yeah. Any words you'd like to share or not? It's okay.
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, Decadent design for whatever had like the most cohesive overall designed experience. This award is dedicated to the game that pretty much felt like a game, right? It felt like the most finished game. It felt like everything was like pulled together in a really cohesive way, and it feels like it was just a well-made game. It's kind of hard to like judge this one, but I think we're happy with what we chose. Feet roll again, please. Anthropophobia. There he is.
This one. Congratulations. This one and that one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you get two.
Oh,
One
awesome.
for your member as well.
Great.
Yeah. Any words? Or you go.
All the assets are in the asset bank. Free to use them. Feel free to use them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like you said, free assets, everyone. Use it if you want. Really good assets, by the way. Yeah, right. Crazy. Okay. The final category, maybe the most important award of all, for the person who might have accurately defined escape the most. So, you know, we had like a lot of optional modifiers, but of course the focus of the game jam was to create a game designed around the word escape. A lot of your games, like, you know, achieve that in many different ways, but I feel like this one did it in a very unique and kind of dark way. Would you agree? Yeah. All right. Drum roll, please. Any way you want. Child's Escape. Are they here? Woo!
Save that child.
So, I don't know how many of you guys played it, but it was a very grim, short played game. It's pretty good. Yeah? Cold hands.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah. Yes. Anything to say?
Definitely wasn't last minute.
Yep.
Definitely.
Yep. And of course, Voyaging Devs. This is like a sort of like novelty awarded for all of our people who made games for the first time. We wanted to have more awards for this, but we kind of had a bit of a muck-up when it came to making it. But you know what? We have some, and you can enjoy it. So the sort of winners, I guess, or like achievers of this are Escape, Dreamframe, and Rowdy Racers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, you? Oh my god, you!
Yeah.
If you'd like to come up again, just get one. Yeah.
Choose. Which one? Yeah.
Oh, you got the wood.
Oh, that's yours.
That's yours. Woo! Okay. And the final award goes to someone who's been working very hard for the club. Someone who's done a lot for just being a very cool and swaggy person. This, of course, is the Swaggiest Exec Member Award to Noah.
That's crazy. Wait. Take a picture. Wait.
I'm gonna ask you guys to potentially fill out the survey while we wait like 10 more minutes before we can head out to go have dinner. We would obviously love your words and like helping to improve our club. And also if you want to become an exec, come forward or just DM me. That'd be very appreciated. Yeah. Feel free to scan that and give us some feedback, or even just draw on that board and just have fun. Thank you guys.